Hey y'all, welcome back. Nate here, Nate's Classic Cars. We're back again with another Boss. This time a 1971 Boss 351, finished in its original color of grabber lime. This car was a recent restoration, restored about 10 years ago. Beautiful grabber lime paint, which is one of Ford's high impact colors for 1971. Boss 351 spoiler, 351 ram air, as you can see on the hood. Absolutely beautiful paint job on this one. Great gaps. This started out with a beautiful body to begin restoration, and as you can see, turned out to be a great finished product that has been extremely well kept throughout. Zero flaws whatsoever in this paint. Mag 500 wheels with brand new radial TAs on it today. Rear deck spoiler. You see the dual exhaust turn downs in the rear. Beautiful chrome throughout. Original Carlite Glass all the way around on this one. As you can see, stunning paint job. Carlite Glass. This is a really well sorted car. Runs and drives beautifully, which we'll see. Let's pop the hood on this one. You guys can see how well sorted this engine bay is. The Boss 351 is quite the driver for those of you who've been in one. Actually, of all the Bosses, this is my favorite to drive. A lot of pep in that 351, and they really get after it on the road. So as you can see, extremely well sorted throughout on this one. And we'll fire it up and hear it run here in a second. We'll jump to the interior. So this car does have green vinyl interior. One of just a few in this color combo. So of the Bosses, this is one of the rarest color combos. $45,000 miles, which is believed to be original on this one. This is an original console car. Hurst 4-speed shifter. This is an all original green interior. So now we'll fire this one up, let you guys hear it run. Here she is running. Runs like a top. This one fires over on the first click every time. It does have Patronics. It's been upgraded to Patronics to make it more drivable. Take a stroll to the backside and let you guys hear the dual exhaust. It is a little bit of a chilly morning here in Indiana. take her down the road and let you guys see this one run through the gears. Here we are in the Grabber Lime 71 Boss 351. We'll take it for a little cruise around down the road here and let you guys see how it drives. So of all the bosses, this is one of my favorites to drive. As you can see, quite a bit of pep in the 351 Cleveland motors in 71. So they're pretty damn fun to drive. Hurst 4-speed shifter makes it nice. And this baby is smooth to roll the gears. As you can see, it's not a rattle trap. You don't hear it. Very well sorted car. All right, here we are back at the shop. As you can see, being restored 10 years ago, this one has really been well preserved. The guy who restored this did do the batch paint on the bottom side, the Grabber Lime oversprays with the black oversprays from the pinch weld. You can see the color codes throughout, and we'll take a little stroll around and show you guys a little bit about this one on the bottom side. See the coil springs with the correct color codes, original spindles. Various components are new, as the guy did want to make this one drivable, so you can see that. This does have its original Rug AV1 transmission with the numbers on the driver's side tab. Hopefully you can make out the tag there. Take a stroll down this side. You can see the Grabber Lime oversprays on the batch paint with the black oversprays from the pinch weld. You can see the drive shaft color codes, the dual exhaust system. It does have an end case, 391 gears, as all Boss 351s came with, and 31 spline axles. Staggered shock plates, both sides. This does have its correct rear sway bar setup. You can see that throughout here. Do a pan back. You guys can get a whole glimpse of this one. So as I said before, this car started out extremely solid, ended up with a great product here when the guy restored this one about 10 years ago. If you guys got any more questions, feel free to post them in the comments. You can reach out to me at Nate at natesclassiccars.com. And always feel free to call, as my number is in the description, if you want to get some more info on this one, because it is for sale.